Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Last week, completed half of the lesson in 15 units. Now the continuation of this lesson of the 15th unit. Here already, now in the previous round of this lesson, French people are also dominated the Vietnam. The French people dominated the Vietnam, and the French people are also looted their resources from the Vietnam. The Vietnam was also suffered by the hands of the French people. So the French people are also very tremendous people and courageous people. By the way, the French applied the civilian mission to the French education. After, the Vietnam teachers are also used the satires of their education system. Already, you know, the French college students or young people, students are also studied in different places of the world and gather the politics of the world, and remaining, those are one of the applied in the history of Vietnam. And then the young Annamis, one party was also created, and remaining, the young Annamis party was also the main party to become of that next period, the Vietnam. The French people are also looted so much wealth over the Vietnam. Later, the Vietnam people are also strengthened, and in the case of the Second World War, the Japan defeated the France. So the France was defeated in the second after the at last of the Second World War. And the ambition of the France to loot and trial to ruling of the Vietnam, but the Vietnam people are not afraid and also dare with the courageousness to fight against of the France. So by the way, the Vietnam defeated the French people, and remaining they got the powers with the independence. The Vietnam people are also satisfied at last of the war with the French. And here it is one of the drastic administration and rules of the Vietnam people to inject of the French. In the history of the world, we know after the Second World War, there are two main super blocks occurred in the world. The first block, USA, and the second block, USSR. USSR followed the communism or communist party, and USA follows only the capitalist party or capitalism. Here, two blocks are also raised after the Second World War. Already we know the two powerful blocks are also most important after the Second World War. The world politics are also changed by the powers of the USA and USSR. Here, so many ideological communisms are all, so many countries are also joined to USSR, and the capitalistic countries are also joined to USA bloc. These are the two superpower blocks. So we can identify the two power blocks are also bipolar system. In world, it was one of the bipolar system. Bipolar means east side USSR bloc and west side USA bloc. In world, there are super power blocks are also identified. Those are only communist bloc or the USSR bloc and a capitalistic bloc and a USA bloc. So many countries are also joined in the communism in the eastern side in the world, and remaining the western side, so many countries, capitalist countries are also joining with the hands of the USA. And day and nights do not take sleep to the USA governments, because of if any time the communists are also occupied their places. And the communists are also follows and think every time, if any time the USA was attacked to the USSR. Both are also the better feelings to each other. That is why. Here it is bipolar system. In 1991, the Communist Party was also defeated by the Democrats in the USSR. And the Communist was also declined those policies in the USSR. And remaining USSR, United Soviet Socialistic Republic, the surrounding areas of the country, Ukraine, and remaining the so many countries are also leave out from the communist. Russia is only the balanced power. So that the Russia lost their powers of the communism in 1991, then the bipolar was also changed into the unipolar. At last, the USA was also commanded or controlled the world, so it is only the unipolar. Unipolar denotes only one country power is known as the USA, and bipolar denotes two sides of the powers. One side is USSR and other side is USA. So this is only the system. But after the Second World War, so many changes are in the Vietnam. What changes of the Vietnam? Is it clarity to enter of the independence, but do not clarity without enter of that independence in the Vietnam. So those leaders are also follows in the system. Now already you know the background of the USA and USSR, the grudge feelings and bitter feelings between the two countries of USA and USSR in 1965 to 1991. As students, one side USA domination and other side USSR domination. Each and every country is also thinks what domination is also follows to the path of the administration. But here we can identify the USA is only the capitalistic city, USSR only the communistic city. Both are also quite opposite directions. But Vietnam got the independence from the hands of the France. But which bloc choosing from two? From two means USA and USSR. Here Vietnam follows only the communism policies. Vietnam is also choose of the main important communism system. Then the USA become the great, and also the USA is also targeted the Vietnam because of the Vietnam is also follows only that communist rules and regulations, communism government, communism policies, so that the USA got the angry on the Vietnam. So before this bipolar system, the Vietnam got the happiness and get the independence freely throughout the country, and they celebrated, they got the independence by the hands of the France. Here the destiny of the Vietnam First of all, the France were opposite persons to Vietnam. Later, the so many capitalists are also enemies to them. And after getting the independence, really the USA is already, you know, the huge country, and it's one of the continent, full power. In the world, it got the superpower block. And the Vietnam is very teeny bit of the country before that USA. But the people are courageous people. Vietnam people are only the dare people to fight with the USA. But what happened? Here we identified New Republic of Vietnam is motto of the minds of the Vietnamese. Here the Vietnam is not only the remainder, it is only the remaining part of that administration and the independence. And here the New Republic of Vietnam, the Vietnam can be divided into two powers of the leaders. The first was the North Vietnam and the second one was the South Vietnam. After the French people were also leave out from the Vietnam, the Vietnam divided into two regions, the North Vietnam and the Southern Vietnam. The North Vietnam was also handled by the Ho Chi Minh leader. The Ho Chi Minh leader is only the communist leader. He controlled in the North Vietnam. But we can identify in the South Vietnam, then was only the leader. He was the ethnic leader and a traditional leader. One side he was a dictator, mind of the feelings. The North Vietnam and Southern Vietnam, South India, both the regions are also divided by the two people of the leaders. But we can identify the North Vietnam leader was the Ho Chi Minh. He follows only the communism. Russian leaders are also only closely to the Ho Chi Minh. Because of Ho Chi Minh was also selected only the administration of the communism. But here we can identify Dinh Diem was only the leader. He was not touched to any other region, but he was only the monopolistic, and remaining he was a traditional feeling. He follows only the ethnic nature, so that so many people were also suffered in the South Vietnam to the against of the Dinh Diem leader. Here, the two persons or qualities are also quite different. He thought only the welfare programs of the people. He thought only for himself to development how it is. And remaining, the Ho Chi Minh follow one party, and remaining the form of the party is known as a NLF. NLF means National Liberation Front. The Communist Party people are also follows by the Ho Chi Minh and follow towards the direction of the National Liberation Front. So it is the main party, NLF, that is one of the abbreviation. Children, listen carefully. And remaining, after some 2 or 3 years, the Dinh Diem was only rejected by the people in the case of the administration. And the next elections, there are no elections, he was only the dictator. So many people are rejected his administration. So totally, the North Vietnam and South Vietnam are also mingling under the hand by the Ho Chi Minh. All Vietnam people are also follows the rules of communism. So that is one of the great administration in the Vietnam. Here, it is main important ways. Now Vietnam follows the communism. Vietnam selected the communism party. And the grudge of the USA is also quite opposite of the communism, because the main enemy in the world is USSR, to the opposite of that USA. USA and US are the two great blocks. Already, you know, just I told this one is a USA follows only the capitalistic country. So many capitalistic countries are also follows on the path of the USA. There are privatization is also more in the USA. The Britain, France, Spain, and the USA, those are only the capitalistic countries. Those are only the capitalistic countries. It is the main important region. It is only here the Western bloc and the Eastern bloc. The USA is also lies in the Western bloc. USSR is also follows one the Eastern Bloc. The two countries are also a quite opposite countries in the case of the partisan. And look here, the USA is also, first of all, listened the view. What is that listening of the view? The Vietnam follows only the communist path. Then the American people or the American commanders are also sent the one path. It's one of the Agent Orange. Agent Orange, what is the importance of the Agent Orange? It is a great chemical. Agent means here only the chemical bond, and the roundup of the orange banner or orange ribbon, those drums are also full of the powders of the chemicals, and the planes are also fall such that powder on the areas of Vietnam forest area. Actually, that chemical was only the plant killer powder. First of all, the Agent Orange was spread by the Americans to the Vietnam vegetations and forest areas. Then after 10 days or 12 days, the trees are also fell down with a powderly, and remaining plain was also appeared on the grounds of Vietnam. And the USA in 1965 and 72, in between 14 lakhs of the US soldiers are also came there. They fight against of the soldiers of Vietnam. Here we can identify the Vietnam map. In the world map, the Vietnam is only a teeny bit of the place. Already you know the USA, it is huge places and huge administration, military is power, and main of super power block is USA, but it is also declared the war of the Vietnam. Here 14 lakhs of the soldiers are also went there, and remaining 47,244 soldiers were also died. So many Vietnam people, common people, civilian people were also died. One side is the soldiers were died, and the other side is civilians were also died in the place of the Vietnam by the hands of the USA commanders. And remaining 3,0204 people were also disabled with the effect of that bombs thrown out by that soldiers of the USA. So it is only the impact to the conflicts of that communist and capitalistic views. The Agent Orange impact was also here, and remaining the war planes are also BS-2 planes, very powerful planes. War planes are also used by the USA. But why did they got the grudge against of them? Why did they got the grudge on the Vietnam people and the Vietnam soldiers? Those are only the common people. It's only the fault of the Vietnam is also only selected of the communism, but it's not a fault really. That is only their own judgment. But he joined to the bloc of the USSR. But the USSR also quite opposite of the USA. If any grudge of on the USSR by the USA, then USA declared the war to against of the USSR. But the tinny bit or tinny only place of the country Vietnam is a very little country before that USA. But so many civilians were also opposed to that America. American civilians are also opposed to their commanders because of stop the war. It is not a judgment. It is not a correct. You must stop the war. Request to the civilians of the Americans to that government of America. But here the civilians opposed to the war. And here we identified 1965 to 70, 7 years duration period. So many members were also died. Here, who are the great persons? Vietnam or people were also great persons. Those are not one side is those are only civilian the soldiers. Remaining is only the civilians. The civilians of the male people are also wanted to be willing to do that war in the to the against of the American people, American American commanders. But one side he worked in the case of the soldiers of the France, and the other side he fight the English soldiers. That means USA soldiers. Here the civilians are also actually great. In 1974, in Paris, the American are also leave from the war land and declare the independence to the Vietnam people. Then in Vietnam, the one person Saigon, he did not accepted the rule of the administration of Vietnam. After 1975, April 10th, 1975, actually independent, the Vietnam people got it. The Vietnam people got it, the actually independence. From the hand of the French, from the hands of the Americans, and from the hands of the Saigon, then at last the Vietnam people got the independence in 1975. Here, April 10th. It's only their panel. So here so many questions are also raised from this matter. What are the courageous of the Vietnam civilians? What are the importance of the Vietnam civilians? And what are the main important features of Agent Orange War? So this matter is also very important for the public examination. Later, next country, Nigeria. Nigeria, you know, where is Nigeria, in which continent it consists of? Nigeria is in Africa. Nigeria is in Africa. In Nigeria, there are three important groups of the people then on Nigerian map. The first group is the Hausa Fulani, was the first group of the people. Second group, Yoruba, second group of people. The third one group was Igbo. The three important groups are also in lives in different regions in Nigeria. But the Muslims are also dominated Hausa Fulani region in Nigeria. It is the north side of the Nigeria. Full community is only the Muslim sect. And remaining the Christians are the north, south, east and west directions, just like it is only the map directions. And here west southern direction region is denotes only the Christianity people. That country was the bit of the country was Yoruba. The region of the country was Yoruba. Here the Christians were also dominated in the Yoruba. The Muslims were also dominated the Yusufa Fulani area in Nigeria. It's only the northern direction. And remaining the eastern direction, northeastern direction, Igbo was only the one community people were also lived there. Those are the mixing people, Christians and Muslims and local other peoples are also in the Igbo. One river is also passed across this country. That river name is only the Niger River. Niger River. The Niger River namely is known as a Niger country, the Nigeria country. So the upper part of the Muslims did not read very well, but they are only the so many are illiterates. Their sect is also different. Their language is different. The customs are also different. Here the Yoruba people, Christians, they know very well. There were also educated people. The educated people already know the system of the democracy and the communism. And the remaining, the common people are also some educated. So that the three reasons are also in different sects, different religions, different regions in Nigeria. But their common ambition, their common aim is to get the independence. In case of the caste, they are different. In case of the language, they are also different. In case of the system and tradition are also different. But their common aim is only to get off that independence. But the Nigeria is also, by the hands of, totally by the hands of the Britishers. What are the similarities between the India and Nigeria? What is the common feature? What is the common feature between the Nigeria and India? The Indian people and the Nigerian people are also having some very common aim. That is only the independence from the hands of the Britishers. Here the Britishers are also dominated the three regions of the Nigeria. In our country, the Britishers are also dominated. It is only common aim to get the independence from them. And it's okay. But what was the famous? Who are the educated in this region? Here the southern Nigerian people are educated. The North Indian people of the Nigeria are uneducated people. But here is the unification of the Nigeria is most important for the independence. For the short period, the Nigerian people got the independence from the hands of the Britishers. But nearly 200 years, we fight against of the Britishers, then we can get the independence. What are the difference? What is the main aim to between of the short period and long period of the independence? And here, those people are only the service persons to the Britishers, so that the Britishers gave the independence in short period. But we are the fighters. One group of the people in India is also fighting fight of the Britishers. Some group of the people are also follows the path of the Britishers. The Subhash Chandra Bose is quite anti to the Britishers, and Gandhiji is quite famous of the Britishers. But they thought with a long time, then after a Second World War, 100 nations got the independence. From them, India got only the independence. But actually and really, but did not got the independence of India till to 1945. 100 nations got the independence, then India is one of them, so that it got the independence. But Nigeria, in a short period, it got the independence. But what are the importance of that regions? The petrol, palm oil, cocoa. These are the main raw materials of these are one of the crops of them. In short period, they got the independence. After within short period, they are also changed. So the country was also by the hands of the capitalists and oil companies. Already we know the oil companies are also created the pollution in the surroundings of that Nigeria. Till now, the oil companies are also standing. And here, we want only the Nigerian independence. But at the same time, the contemporary person was in Africa, Pan-Africanism. Africa, but not one country, it's only the continent. So many countries are also slave countries by the capitalist hands. So Africa is only one unity, that is known as a Pan-Africanism. So it is one of the slogan designed by the Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah was a Ghana. This Ghana place is also located in Africa. The point is very important point. Kwame Nkrumah was only the great leader in Africa. His ambition was only the Pan-Africanism. Total of Africans got the independence. That is their own opinion. So he fight to all the governments, all the imperialistic countries from the towards the side of that African colonies. So one side Britishers are also occupied so many places, and other side the France occupied, remaining Portugal occupied. In Africa, there are Macaulay. His party was NNDP. NNDP stands for Nigerian National Democratic Party. Nigerian National Democratic Party. The leader was Herbert Macaulay. In 3 elections of the Nigeria, they got the more seats in 1923 and 1928 and 1933. He won the elections. And the remaining leader is Azikwe. He was another leader. His party name was NYM. NYM means Nigerian Youth Movement. Nigerian Youth Movement is also led by the Azikwe, and NNDP leader was Herbert Macaulay. Both are also convinced and mingling of those 2 parties and decide one party. Here NNDP plus NYM, 2 parties are also formed with the NCC. What is the abbreviation of NCC? NCC means National Council Nigerian Cameroon, and become of the communist. National Council Nigerian Cameroon was only the NCC. Here it's only the local party of Nigeria, NNDP, led by the Herbert Macaulay, and NYM is also Nigerian Youth Movement. Both parties are also mingling. This leader Azikwe and Herbert Macaulay both are also national leaders of that country, and form one party is known as the NCC, National Council Nigerian and Cameroon. They got the independence. The Nigeria people are also got the independence 1st October 1963. So this is only the main importance of that Nigeria. And remaining before that Nigeria, the Vietnam got the independence just like this. And we observed bipolar system or unipolar systems. Those are only after the Second World War in our country. That is science. And remaining environmental politics. Environmental politics already, the Nigeria Delta is a great delta. In 1950, the Kensero Viva was also fight for the pollution of the Nigeria. The oil spinning were also in every way. So the Kensero Viva was also a great environmental protection leader, and they fight the oil companies. So the oil companies are also created a great pollution to all sides of the Nigeria. After some years, the Kensero Viva was also executed or died by the hands of the military commanders, and children. Hello, children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have a doubt, you should ask once.
Then board picture.
Yes, sir.
Siva board picture
Board picture.
for the children. Here, children, remember at once all abbreviations are also most important from this lesson in the textbook. You must follow the textbook for the abbreviations and the years and the important points.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Let me leave.
Okay, sir.
Let me leave. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, send abbreviations and all important points of this lesson, sir.
Yes, sir.
What do
Yes, sir.
you
Yes, sir.